ShuttleSky is one of the most prominent lift company in Gurgaon. In a few years, ShuttleSky has become one of the leading lift manufacturers in Gurgaon. Our products are innovative, reliable, and efficient. So we build, install, and maintain almost all type of elevators and provide the best mobility solution for every type of building. We deal majorly in four segments. One is passenger lift, second is structure lift, third is hospital lift, and fourth is commercial lift. The commercial lift part also includes the goods lift elevator. In the passenger lift, we provide all kind of services that are relevant to an elevator, such as license for the lift. And for the structure lift, we also arrange the NOC from any public department if required. Such as in DDA flats, there is a NOC that is required from MCD, and we arrange that on the client's behalf. In the structure lift part, we offer a guarantee of 25 years straight. And in the hospital lift, we again help in taking all the licenses for the elevator, even if it is for the commercial purpose, etc. Now when we are specifically talking about Gurgaon, we have done more than 1000 installations with 100% satisfaction. Our company is one of the most economical and reliable player in the market in Gurgaon. ShuttleSky Lifts is one of the most reliable lift company in Gurgaon with more than 1000 installations. ShuttleSky enjoys one of the most prominent position in the lift industry. Here are some of the feedbacks of our client. Mr. Dishant Kumar says, "It is hard to find the best elevator company in Gurgaon with so many options around. I was very happy with their overall service. The team was well experienced, so I didn't have anything to worry about. They also helped me in finalizing the lift that would suit the whole building requirement." On the other hand, the Gargi Yadav says, choosing an elevator that can match the theme of your house is really difficult. After doing a lot of research, I found this amazing lift company in Gurgaon. I am very much satisfied with their services and I am glad that I went for them. Are you looking for any of the lift company in Gurgaon? You can reach us at 9090900215. You can also get in touch with our website as well. That is www.shuttlesky.in. Thank you very much. Looking forward to serve you with best elevator in Gurgaon. Thank you.